Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the name of your site on Wix, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in my dashboard for one of my sites, and this site is a perfect example because it is a copy of a site I already have. So I'm going to show you guys how you can change the name and, for example, delete the copy from the name or edit it however you want. So the first thing we're going to want to do is click here, and then as you can see, this is the site I'm currently at, and this is the site which this is a copy of. And the first thing I'm going to do is click go to all sites. From here, as you can see, this is what it'll look like, just like so. And you have this grid with all your sites. You have trash if you've deleted a site in the past, and while I'm at it, I'll delete the original site like so. Just move to trash, and it'll stay there for 3 months before it's automatically deleted. And now we're going to change the name of this site that I was currently on. Now what you're going to want to do is click here on site actions, and as you can see, the topmost option is rename site. Just click on that, and then you have the option to rename your site. Whoops, I don't know why that exited, so let's go back and let me just rename it by removing the copy and just title it site 5, for example. And as you can see, you can change a couple of different options, and I'm still not sure why that happened. Let me just delete that again. And yeah, you have a couple of different options. You can access the site URL or set a site URL if you want. When you publish it, this will be your free domain. You have a free domain under Wix if you want it, but pretty much now that you've renamed the site name, you can just click save. And after a couple of seconds, as you can see, it is currently renaming the site. It has renamed it to site 5, and that is exactly what you want to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.